Thank you for watching. In this video, we shall quickly look at how to use conditional formatting. The conditional formatting is part of the Home tab in Microsoft Excel. To use the conditional formatting to visualize this salary figure, we can also copy the salary figure to another column, equals. I click on this, press enter. It will automatically duplicate what you have here. I want to do the visual. I can highlight on this, and I will go to conditional formatting. I want to use the icon settings where I have a 3 traffic lights. Can you see that? Let me use this. I have the 3 traffic light. You can see that. If I don't want to use that, I can also move into the color icon. So both traffic light and color icon. But just in case I want to clear the formatting I have there before, I'll come here under editing and click on clear format. I have it back again. Now, to be able to visualize this using the conditional formatting, I can use this as well. It will show you the value, the kind of difference. So the larger value will take the green, followed by the next, followed by the next, and the least will always take the red. You can see the green, yellow, red color scale. So let's use this, the traffic light stuff. Okay, let me use this. So this is not my traffic light because the traffic light is in 3 colors. So we have more than 3 colors here. But what if I don't want to see that figure there again? I will right click and press format. Go to custom. Click on general, backspace, and press the 2 symbol there. Press OK. And the figure there will disappear. You can see? So you can see that these 2 green color shows 2 people that earn more than any other person in this data set, followed by others like the yellow, and the least are these dark figures. Those are the people that earn least as salary. I hope you have learned something new. Like, share. Bye for now.